morning. Today is Monday. Yeah, the following week. Trust Nigerian artisans. They are always going to disappoint. So the carpenter hasn't brought our wardrobe yet in our bedroom. We have not arranged our clothes. Our clothes are still in our bags and boxes. What can I say? He said he was going to bring it today though. Today is Monday, so I'm hoping he does that. Aside that, right now I have a client to style her hair. You get what I mean? She's coming to pick me up, so I'm waiting for her. We gotta make money because we're spending money in this house, guys. You can always hear the echo because we've not really done anything in this place. Anyways, I'm not rushing myself. I'm just going to take it one step at a time. I just said to come on here and I give the situation report. So see you guys when we get there. This is the next day and I'm actually pissed this morning. I'm really pissed. The carpenter didn't make it yesterday. I called him in the evening asking what's up with the work. He said he's waiting for us to bring a car to come and carry our wardrobe and our bed frame. Like, how? Are you not supposed to bring it here so you can install the bed frame and all that? How are we the ones coming to pick the bed frame up ourselves? How? I not told you that I was not even at home that yesterday because I went for that photo shoot, so I wasn't even at home. This morning I called him to ask him, how far? What was he saying yesterday? He was not saying that we are the ones that are supposed to come and pick it up, that he's traveling tomorrow, we should come and if you get a car and come and pick it up ourselves. I don't understand. That one of his boys will follow us to help us offload and install the bed frame. Like, I don't understand. Where is it done? You're done with the job. Are you not supposed to bring it to your client's house and make sure the bed is well and everything is okay? Like, this is the first time this is happening. When this one, because this is a different carpenter, mind you, this carpenter is just a nonsense carpenter. The one that made this cupboard is a different carpenter entirely. I haven't actually met this one that's supposed to do a bedroom and wardrobe before this one, and this one has delivered. Like, this one delivered, I think I paid him, he delivered it 2 days after, but this one is over a month. What is a month? It's one story or the other, and the wood has increased money. This one has done. I said that was not my business. So you gave me the amount you're supposed to pay, and I paid. So Whether the wood increases or not is none of my business. It was what he charged me and I paid. So now he's telling us, okay, that we're coming to come and pick this in ourselves. I don't understand. Like, I don't understand though. I'm really, really angry this morning. Honestly. So right now, we are going to go and look for a car to convey the bed frame and the wardrobe. So I just said, come on here and let you guys know the update that Nigerian artisans will disappoint you. That's just the truth. I'm just so lucky this one has not disappointed me yet, and it's definitely going to be the one I'll be recommending, because this other one is just, I don't want to even call his name. He's a nonsense man. I'm angry this morning. I'm angry. I really, really am angry. I don't know I'm even chilled in this video, but I just hope he even gets what we gave him to do. If he does not do a good job, hey, quarter go come. I don't even want to even think about it. Let me even get to his workshop and see if he even did a good job first, before I even go and start looking for who will come and pick our bed frame and our wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe without the handles. So it's coming to fix the handles. Ow! So I'm struggling to remove it. I do not even know why he used the different wood inside there. I don't just understand this man. So this is it. And it came with 2 drawers. See, another wood inside. So guys, I'm back, and honestly, I've been screaming, I've been shouting. Everybody was just looking at me, and I know they'll be thinking, who is this mad person? Honestly, I didn't even mind. I was just shouting. Do you know this human being, this carpenter, he didn't make the bed frame. His excuse was that that he thought he was not going to make the bed frame yet now. That he lost his sister and he's traveling tomorrow. Like, I don't understand. I've paid you since August. I paid him since August. Not full, but we gave him deposit to show his to show our commitment. And now you're telling us, and he told us that it was no. I cannot even remember that conversation. It's not possible that he told me he was not going to do the bed frame yet. It's not possible. I carried the wardrobe because he already made the wardrobe, and there's no how I'll just leave it. So he's coming back later to come and fix the handles. I just told him to leave the bed frame. I was going to. He's not doing it for me again. I was going to give someone else. So I'll give this carpenter that made this our kitchen cabinets to make the bed frame. So finally I brought the wardrobe, but he's coming to fix the handles. I don't even know why he didn't even fix the handles in the first place. He did not even give me the explanation that, oh, this is what happened. He didn't. Today is far gone already. So I think this is almost 2 or past 2. If I'm not mistaken, it's already 2. So I just want to shower and finish up a hair I have to deliver today. Yeah, so if he comes early enough to finish the handles, I will start arranging my clothes, but he doesn't. Anyways, the handle does not even, it's not stopping me from arranging, but let me bath first and see if I'll finish that hair early so I can start arranging or my clothes. So I'm done styling the hair, and this is what we have to do: arrange our clothes. So I'm going to start with these handbags now, then proceed from there. I don't think I want to use this hanger anymore. I don't want this color. I think I'll get a black, white, or silver hangers. For now, I'm not hanging anything here. I'm just going to fold what I can fold in here and the drawer. I don't have a lot of handbags, so these are the few ones I have. I've already arranged those ones. And I'm still going to go over all this. I'm just randomly putting things in. For now, until I get settled in. So far, this is what we have. It's not really looking great, but for now, let's just go with it. With time, I know I'm going to still rearrange everything, but let's make do with this for now. We finally came to fix the handles. After 2 days, honestly, and after so much talking and calling, he sent one of his boys to come and fix the handles. So